Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be collaborating with a company called Just4kira. They are an online prescription company that sells contact lenses that are prescription and non-prescription. And they've been around for 7 years, and they provide a lot of different color options available for you to choose from. They do have excellent quality, they do provide free returns, and they have really excellent post-service sales customer service. So what I have today is 4 different colors I will be trying out for you. They are in the colors Bloom Blue, Bloom Brown, Bloom Gray, and Grace Green. And the packaging comes like this. It's really, really cute. The box is black. And it says Just4kira with colored contact lenses on the front. And this is what it looks like. And it does come with a thank you card with instructions on the back. And I do want you guys to know that they said that if you take a photo and tag at Just4kira on social media, you will have a chance to get free products, and they will randomly select lucky customers every month and give away their best-selling products. And also you need to use the hashtag Just4kira. So that comes in there. And then also there are instructions on how to put on the contact lenses as well. And also too, I did get 4 pairs of contact lenses. So the way they do it is they have it separated. They have, I'm just going to show you real quick. So there's only like 1 contact lens in each of these boxes. And I think the boxes are really, really cute. So this one here is called Gable Green. Hope you guys can see that. And so they do put 1 contact lens in each box. So here are the Bloom Browns. And the Bloom Gray. And I also have Bloom Blue. I am so excited. I love contact lenses, and I typically wear glasses during the day, but I really wanted to try out contact lenses, and I think they're just a fun way to change up your look without doing anything too drastic. They also gave me these little clear plastic containers to put your contacts in, and it does come with a little tool that you can use to grab your contact lens. So I'm just going to show it to you if I can open it. How do I open this? Oh, here we go. So this is the little tool that you can just like grab your contact lenses out. So I typically don't use these. I usually just use my fingers to grab the contact lens out. And then it also comes with this cute, well, this little tool to that you can use, I guess, to put it in. So you use this tool to put your contact lens in, and then you use this tool to take them out. And you don't have to do that. It's just an option if you want to. I know sometimes if you have like long nails or you're just not really good at grabbing your lenses out, those tools can be really helpful. Also, they do tell you to soak your contact lenses up to, well, I guess between 8 to 12 hours before wearing. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and try on the green ones first. And we're going to see how this goes. So I'm so excited. And they do come like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is in my right eye, and this is what it looks like without the contacts on this side. So here's the green. I think they're really pretty. Very, very light. as well. So I'm gonna go try to put the other one back on, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back and I'm trying on the Bloom Brown next, and I wanted you guys to see, I don't know if you can see how thin. Look at how thin these lenses are. They're super thin. All right, here we go. Whoa. Gotta get used to it. Woo. Okay. All right, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right. These are so pretty. These are the Bloom Brown. And I hope you guys can see, like, they look so natural and they're so comfortable. I cannot emphasize enough how thin these how thin these lenses are. So let me just show you. Wow. They look so natural. And then this is my eye color here. I cannot wait to wear these. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are the Bloom Browns. I'm going to go ahead and put on the next one for my other eye, and then I'll be right back. I am back and I have on both pairs of the Bloom Browns, and guys, they're so pretty. Look. They look so natural. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. And what I keep emphasizing is how thin these contact lenses are. And it just looks so natural on me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh gosh, I think these may be my favorite, and I haven't even tried on the other two pair. Like, I am absolutely in love with the Bloom Brown lenses so far. Like, I thought I really loved the green ones before, but these brown ones are like amazing to me. I really love them a lot, and I don't want to take them off. I wish I would have put these on last. All right, so now I am going to try the Bloom Gray, and I will be right back. So now I have the other pair, or the other lens, in the other eye of the Bloom Gray. And this is what it looks like. And these have to be the most comfortable contact lenses I've ever worn, I have to say. I don't feel them. Wow. But they look so natural. And I really like these. What do y'all think about these? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, yeah, these are so comfortable. I don't want to take them off. And I'm not wearing eyelashes. Typically I wear eyelashes, but because I'm filming, I decided not to wear eyelashes just so I can get my contacts on easier. But I cannot wait to see how this looks when I'm all like made up with eyelashes and eyeshadow and everything. But when I tell you that these look so natural, like they don't have that dark ring around the edges, they look really good. Oh wow, I'm so impressed. All right, so now I have one more pair. They are the Bloom Grays, and I will be right back to show you a comparison. Whoa. I shouldn't be surprised by now. These are the Bloom Blues. Gorgeous and comfortable. Like super thin, super comfortable, super pretty. These contacts are the best colored contact lenses I have ever worn in my life. Okay. I'm just gonna put that out there. I mean, not only are they super easy to put on, they're super easy to take out. I don't know if anyone else has ever had this happen to them before, but I've worn contacts before that were really hard to take out, but these just, they come out like that without any issues. And I am not a professional contact lens wearer because I don't really wear them that often. So I sometimes struggle, but I have not had to really struggle with these at all. And they're so comfortable. Wow, I mean, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, they might be my favorite. I can't wait to put on the other one. All right. Wow. Okay, let's just get into this color, okay? I'm going to come in close. Okay, I want you guys to see the gloriousness or whatever you want to call it, the most perfect color combination I can think of for blue contact lenses. I hope you guys can see the different layers. It's like it has this darker blue around the edges, like the color of the ocean. And then it has this lighter hue in between before it gets to my pupil area. Talk about pretty. You really have to just see this in person to see how pretty these are. And I know I said earlier I thought that the Bloom Browns would be my favorite, but no, these are my favorite. I've never tried on blue contacts before, but I have to admit that these are my absolute favorite. They're comfortable, they're lightweight, they're thin, they're very natural, affordable. These are the best contact lenses I've ever worn in my life. I don't want to take these out. They feel natural. These are my eyes. You can't tell me that these are not my eyes coming out of my own socket, okay? Like, these are my eyes. And Just for Kira, you guys are the bomb.com. Kudos to you guys. You guys do provide an excellent, perfect product, and I highly recommend everyone to check these out. So that's all I have for this video. Real quick, I do have a discount code down below. It is called Natural Beauty 214. You can save 20% off your purchase. Also, they do run a lot of good promotions at during different times of the year. I know that there is a buy 2 get 2 free, a buy 3 get 3 free, and a buy 4 get 4 free. So those are some really good promotions that are being promoted by Just for Kira. I will put all of the contact information down below in the description box, as well as the links for all 4 of the colors that I tried on in this video. Thank you again, Just for Kira, for sponsoring this video and for collaborating with me. And thank you for everyone else just for watching and tuning in. And I will see you guys in my next one.